Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best sheep clippers is probably one of the most essential tools for any sheep farmer or shearer, ensuring a clean and efficient shearing process that prioritizes the animal's comfort and wool quality. With a wide variety of models available, each offering different features and power levels, selecting the right clippers can significantly impact your productivity and the overall health of your flock. This guide will help you navigate the options to find the perfect set for your needs. Number 5. Veeconn 4-in-1 Dog Clippers Grooming Kit. Introducing the Veeconn 4-in-1 Grooming Kit, your complete solution for pet grooming needs. It's designed to make grooming at home simple and effective. Experience a powerful 7,500 revolutions per minute motor that tackles grooming tasks efficiently, all while maintaining a low noise level. Your pet will feel more comfortable during grooming sessions. This grooming tool is IPX7 waterproof, making it easy to clean and use even around wet fur. It's designed to be safe and simple, perfect for beginners and all types of pets, including cats and dogs. It comes with 4 guide combs for various coat lengths, a paw hair trimmer, and a nail grinder. Achieve a professional look with ease, right in your own home. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation for unrestricted movement. This pet shaver offers convenience and flexibility, ensuring a smooth grooming experience every time. What we like. This grooming kit offers a versatile 4-in-1 solution, including a paw hair trimmer and nail grinder. Its IPX7 waterproof rating makes cleaning a breeze. If you're a beginner looking for a safe, easy-to-use, and multifunctional tool for your pet's full grooming needs, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The motor is powerful and the clippers are easy to handle. It comes with a durable carrying case and extra blades, which is great value. The adjustable speed settings allow for precise clipping on different types of wool. Number 4. HEAPETS Gold Dog Grooming Clippers. Introducing the HEAPETS Gold Dog Grooming Clippers, designed for a stress-free grooming experience. Its low noise and quiet operation ensure your pet stays calm and comfortable. Achieve the perfect coat length with the adjustable clipper comb. This feature allows for precise trimming, catering to your pet's specific needs. Enjoy the freedom of cordless grooming. This rechargeable device offers flexibility and ease of use, without the hassle of tangled cords. Suitable for dogs, cats, and other pets, these clippers are a versatile grooming tool for any pet owner. Keep them looking their best with minimal effort. The electric quiet motor ensures a peaceful grooming session for both you and your furry friend. Say goodbye to loud, startling grooming tools. In a beautiful gold finish, this grooming clipper is as stylish as it is functional. It's the perfect addition to your pet care essentials. What we like. This option boasts a quiet operation, perfect for pets sensitive to noise. The adjustable clipper comb allows for easy customization of hair length. If you have a cat or dog that gets easily stressed by grooming sounds, this rechargeable cordless clipper will provide a calmer experience. What people say. The clippers are powerful and cut through thick wool easily. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold, even for extended periods. The adjustable blade tension allows for precise cutting and prevents snagging. Number 3. Veeconn 4-in-1 Dog Grooming Clippers Kit. Discover the ultimate grooming solution for your beloved pet. This versatile kit is designed to keep them looking and feeling their best. With 4 essential functions in one device, you can easily trim fur on their feet, face, and ears. It's the all-in-one tool for a complete groom. This electric trimmer is rechargeable for your convenience. It provides a quiet and gentle grooming experience, perfect for sensitive pets. Easily manage delicate areas like around the eyes and ears. The precision design ensures safe and effective grooming for even the most sensitive spots. Beyond fur, this kit also includes a feature for trimming toenails. Keep your pet's paws neat and tidy from head to toe. Make grooming at home a breeze. This multifunctional tool simplifies the process, saving you time and stress. What we like. This 4-in-1 kit is designed to be multifunctional, covering trimming for feet, face, ears, and toenails. It's also noted as being easy for beginners to use. If you're looking for a convenient, all-in-one cordless solution for detailed grooming tasks on your cat or dog, this tool is ideal. What people say. The motor is powerful and it has a good grip. The blades are sharp and cut through wool easily. It comes with a durable carrying case and extra blades. Number 2. Professional dog grooming clippers for thick coat. Introducing our professional grooming clippers, specifically designed to handle even the thickest pet coats with ease. Built with a durable aluminum alloy body, these clippers are made to last, ensuring a smooth and tangle-free grooming experience every time. Experience high efficiency with our powerful 12V motor, providing consistent cutting force for faster grooming. Its low noise and vibration design ensures a calm and stress-free environment for your pets during the grooming process. Achieve the perfect cut with adjustable speed settings, allowing you to customize the grooming experience from 0.8mm to 2.0mm. For included guard combs offer further versatility for various fur lengths, ensuring a precise and polished look. These clippers come with 2 detachable blades for exceptional cutting performance and simple maintenance. The long, 10-foot cord provides excellent maneuverability, and the plug-and-play design makes setup a breeze. Beyond dogs and cats, these professional clippers are suitable for a wide range of animals including sheep, goats, and horses. They are a valuable grooming tool for any pet owner or farmer looking for reliable performance. What we like. Engineered for professionals and tackling thick, stubborn coats, this tool features a durable aluminum alloy body. Its 5-level speed shift offers precise control for various fur types. If you frequently groom large animals like sheep, horses, or dogs with very dense fur, this heavy-duty clipper will make the job significantly easier and faster. What people say. The motor is powerful and it cuts through wool easily. The clippers are lightweight and easy to handle, even for extended periods. The blade tension is adjustable, allowing for a customized cutting experience. Number 1. Bluewave Professional Dog Clippers A 5-Blade Kit. Tired of struggling with thick, matted pet fur? Our professional grooming clippers are designed to handle even the most challenging coats with ease. Featuring a detachable A5 blade and durable metal guide combs, this trimmer ensures a precise and clean cut every time. Achieve professional results at home. Our low-noise design minimizes stress for your pet during grooming sessions. They'll stay calm and comfortable while you work. Enjoy the convenience of cordless operation with 2 adjustable speed settings. Tackle different grooming needs and areas efficiently. Whether you have a dog, horse, or other animal, this versatile trimmer is ideal for all breeds and coat types. It's the ultimate grooming solution. Invest in the best for your pet's well-being and appearance. Experience the difference quality grooming tools can make. What we like. This professional-grade clipper is equipped with a detachable A5 blade system and offers 2 speed settings for efficient grooming. Its cordless design provides excellent maneuverability. If you need a powerful yet quiet tool for grooming thick, curly, or matted coats on horses or other animals, and value the flexibility of a cordless design, this is a top contender. What people say. The clippers are very quiet and do not scare the sheep. The motor is powerful and cuts through wool easily. The ergonomic design makes them comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.